Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn addition within 20 together, step by step. Adding means putting two groups together to find how many in all. If you have 5 and you add 3 more, you get 8. The plus sign tells us to add. One easy way to add is to count on. Start with the bigger number, 7. Then count up 4 more, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 11. Making a 10 is a super trick. To add 9 plus 5, first fill the 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then add the 4 left over. 10 plus 4 is 14. Let us add 8 plus 6. First make a 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. We use 2, so 4 are left. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So adding puts groups together. You can count on from the bigger number, and making a 10 makes hard sums easy. You are an adding hero. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.